Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing problem on Windows 11. So in the first step, click here and type device manager. Then click here to open it. It will open device manager window. Then expand network adapters. And as per your network connections, right click and select properties. Then go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Now click here. The drivers are installed. Now close this and close all windows one by one. In the next step, click here and type task manager. Then click here to open it. On this window, just click on services and then click on open services. It will open services window, and from given list we need to search for Wi-Fi direct services connection. So right click on it, then click on properties and select startup type as automatic. Click on apply, then click on start and then OK. Again, search for Windows update. Right click on it, select properties and again select startup type as automatic. Click on apply, then click on start and then OK. Now close this window. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.